if this bar closes on its high, um, close with a one tick tail. So I just bought above it. Right now I'm seeing this as two legs down and a second entry buy. This bar before the bull signal is strong, but it's holding above support here. It tested the breakout point and then reversed up strongly. So I think there's a chance that we can get a decent move up. Not extremely confident about this one, but I thought it was worth taking. Okay, I just exited break even. It wasn't because of the movement of the trade itself. I was just looking at where I was buying, and I didn't like it as much. I just try to get 2 weeks. So I didn't analyze it completely, but I just looked at the fact that we just broke down from this strongly, and now we're headed back up to retest that. So even though this is technically still a second entry and it did hold at support, the overall context might not support this buy. So I'm not sure if it does or doesn't. Maybe the level is closer to here. It's just, yeah, the overall context kind of made me rethink this a little bit. So I ended up getting out break even, and then I'll see if I find a reason to sell or buy lower down here in this potential trading range. I just bought 2 shares, looking for 10 cents. I'm a bit torn here because I initially wanted to buy here after this double bottom and big bull bar, and I hesitated here, got a bit scared and didn't take the buy, and then waited for the breakout for another bull bar, and then as we started to rally a bit more, then I bought. So I'm afraid that I may have bought a bit too high, but I won't give it much room. If it doesn't get there quick, then I'll exit. Okay, I'm gonna look to get out of this one, break even as well. This is not the follow through I was looking for. Still hasn't shown any real selling pressure, but when I entered the trade, what I was looking for was consecutive bull bars, or at least bull bars closing above their midpoints. And we didn't get that on the bar I entered on, and we're also not accelerating up with any urgency. So I'm okay to get out of this one, break even, because even though it may work out, this one my reason for entering is no longer valid. So I'll look to get out here if I can. Okay, I just exited there. I think 15 cent loss, 16 cent loss. I didn't want to wait for it to get back to break even in case it didn't, especially because I wasn't really confident with the trade anymore. So that was a tough one, but I already had the sense that I entered a bit too late. My real entry should have been here, which is what I was thinking about doing, but then ended up getting in too late, and then panicked out a little bit, I guess.